Welcome to Mr. How Tricks. Today we're rolling up something delicious. How to make easy sushi rolls. Whether you're a seasoned or a complete beginner, this recipe is for you. Even if you've never touched a rolling mat before, you'll nail this. Let's get rolling. Trust me, it's easier than it looks. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need sushi rice. This is the foundation of your sushi roll, so make sure it's cooked to perfection. Nori, which are those magical seaweed sheets. They hold everything together and add that classic sushi flavor. Fresh vegetables like cucumber, avocado, and carrot. These add a nice crunch and freshness to your rolls. Cooked proteins such as crab sticks or shrimp. These proteins will give your sushi that satisfying bite. Then soy sauce. And for the adventurous, wasabi and pickled ginger. These are optional but highly recommended for an authentic sushi experience. And don't forget the most important ingredient, patience. Sushi making is an art, and it takes a bit of practice. Unless you're a sushi master in disguise, then you're all set. But for the rest of us, let's take it step by step. Next, let's prepare our ingredients. This is where the magic begins. Slice the vegetables into thin strips and the protein into bite-sized pieces. Precision is key here. Remember, if you can chop a carrot, you can conquer sushi. It's all about confidence and a sharp knife. Now it's time for the fun part, assembling our sushi. This is where your creativity can shine. Place a nori sheet shiny side down on a bamboo mat. This will be the canvas for your sushi masterpiece. Wet your hands and spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at the top. This helps the roll stick together. Pretend you're an artist creating a masterpiece because, well, you are. Each roll is a work of art. Add your fillings in a line across the center of the rice. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Get creative and mix different combinations. The possibilities are endless. It's like a sushi buffet right in your kitchen. Time to roll. This is where the magic happens. Lift the bamboo mat and gently roll the sushi away from you, pressing firmly to shape the roll. Take your time to get it just right. Think of it as rolling up a delicious sushi burrito. It's all about the technique. Continue rolling until you reach the border of the nori. This seals the roll and keeps everything inside. If it's not perfect, just call it rustic style. Remember, practice makes perfect. Slice your sushi roll into bite-sized pieces using a sharp knife. A clean cut makes all the difference. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. These condiments elevate the flavors. Voila, you've just made sushi. Look at you, chef extraordinaire. Give yourself a pat on the back. And there you have it. Easy and delicious sushi rolls made right at home. Perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your creation and impress your friends. They'll be amazed at your culinary skills. Just make sure to casually mention you made it yourself about 100 times. It's all part of the fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes from Mr. How Tricks.